What is up everyone? Welcome back to another video. For today's topic, I'll be teaching you on how to change character in Fortnite PC. Let's start by launching the game. Now in the lobby of the game, navigate to the locker option, which is located at the top part of the screen. In here, look for the t-shirt icon and click on it. It will show here all of the skins and characters that you own. So just simply pick the character that you prefer. Then after that, click the equip button below. Now if you don't own a skin yet, then you can acquire this by going to the item shop section located at the top. In here, just select the skins that you want to buy. Other way to acquire skins is through buying the battle pass. Simply click the battle pass at the top and then click get the battle pass, and there just simply buy it.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.